Hi everybody, welcome to Two Red Robins' launch of this incredibly beautiful collection. We're bringing you Tender Love. It is a super romantic one, it's just beautiful, and you'll be able to see this at the beginning of August. So look at this, oh my word. So as always with Two Red Robins, we kind of have this formula for you, and I'm loving that sometimes we get to the scenes, because obviously it helps all of you guys with a starting point, and that's what we've brought you. So we've got our country walks. Now, very often when we bring you scenes and things, we'll change them up a little bit later on in the year. So this is country walks, but obviously full summer where everything's in bloom, but there's nothing stopping us making this white for you, okay? So this could be a winter walk as well, and have snowdrops and things in here. Just colour them differently and it will look spectacular. So maybe this is one not to put at the back of the cupboard, because you may be using this in future use. And just because it's with this collection does not mean that you can only use it with this collection. You can use it with all of your animals, all of your woodland animals. It doesn't matter what it is. They will look lovely with this. Maybe it's Merryweather, one of the geese will also work on this, and that's one of our first ever collections that we brought you. So country walks, lovely gated area, decoupage up, because again you get that full image scene as well. So let's pop that to one side. Then our lovely little animals. So these are our little trio of cubs. So we've got Sunny, Spark and Pumpkin. I love their names, aren't they adorable? So you also get the matlairs for these lovely little creatures. Oh, they're just stunning. Look at the little faces. Their eyes are so expressive as well. Just adding a little tiny drop of glossy accents onto their eyes will make them really shiny, which again will add that extra spark to your... Oh, see what I did there? To your creations. Then we've got Fig and Ginger. Look at this beautiful couple. Aren't they just adorable? So Fig and Ginger are our lovely Tender Love romantic couple, but it doesn't have to be that you use them with those lovely 3 cubs or with the other additions that we've got. You can actually just use them on their own. So this could be a wedding day card. It could be a save the date. It could be a new home. Loads of different ideas of being able to use this. So don't just think of it using it one way. And we've also given you reverse reflections for Fig and Ginger. Look, aren't they just the most precious? So in that case, because it's reverse reflections, we could have Ginger looking that way, or we can have her looking that way. It's entirely up to you. So again, that also helps with the perspective of what you're creating. Then we have a gathering. So with the gathering, you actually get in here the 3 little characters that are in the web collection. So not only do you get our Ginger and Fig and their 3 little cubs, you also get the additional and the extra little cubs that are with that one as well. And as always with the gathering, we change the perspective. So if they're looking left, we give them that they're looking right. And we also give you the different variations in size. So that is a really good one to get. Then we give you the florals. The florals are beautiful. So here we have Delicate Daphne. Isn't that stunning? So again, bit of a hydrangea-esque, well, it is a hydrangea all the way through. We've given you the different colourways as well as on a download. So have a look on Highlight Crafts for that. Again, beautiful. Just have them small little snippets in them, and you get 2 different sizes. So not only do you get the larger one, you get the smaller one. With the smaller one, we've reversed the orientation for you, so then you can build a beautiful bloom like so. Then in addition to that, we've given you the flowering foxgloves. I don't know whether because they're foxes that we've done this as a little pun for you all. So again, the foxgloves, just stunning. You are going to get it 2 different sizes. Again, we've flipped it in the smaller one, so it gives you added definition to your projects that you're making, and other colourways as well. So again, while you're on the website, have a little look at the additional colourways. But look at all this metal. You're getting so many pieces. These are the decoupage pieces for the fence. You also get the wiggly wobbly lines, which the lovely Mel Heaton adores. So just lay them up on top of the imagery and you can cut out and have them all tucked into different places, which is super fun. So those are the dies. Just leave them to one side. And then this is the kind of thing that you can be building. So you've got this lovely little idyllic scene. You've got the scene in the background, which is what you get. These are the added fences, all of this, lovely florals. And then again, we've got our lovely little foxy couple and their 3 adorable cubs. So that is where you could be taking this, pop that into a frame. It's just wonderful. The artwork is incredible. And then a sneaky peek for you. This is the class. So I take you through step by step of being able to build this, but that's not just it, because if I open it up and lift that forward, I then show you how to do all of this, okay? So I show you how to build the box frame, how to make the frames by hand yourselves, and then all of the imagery that goes on in here, but also to be able to close that. So that could be a beautiful memory box for a wedding, or whatever it may be. You could have here on your anniversary, and then inside you could have, rather than this image, you can put a photograph of whoever's memory that it is that you're making, and instead of having everything in the middle, just move it over to one side. So it is a beautiful keepsake that you can make. And then I'm just going to give you a little bit of a sneak peek. So this is the addition to it. So this is our web collection. Look at this. I'm just totally in love with this collection. It is called Tender Love, but it is just beautiful. The artwork, the florals, of course, because you all know that I'm a little bit funny about the flowers. I love florals and flowers. Look at these. Aren't they just beautiful? So now imagine adding these florals into a scene just like this. So you've got the Forgotten Blooms. So again, 2 different sizes. So you get the little ditzy ones as well. So if you're wanting to make a smaller image, absolutely you can, because remember, you're going to get your gathering in your main collection. So that gives you the opportunity of working in a smaller design. You also get Maple, Copper and Comet. So these are 3 extras on there as well. So maybe you could put 2 of these characters in, maybe it's the mum and the cubs, or the dad and the cubs. So again, lovely tender moment for them all. So it's lovely family gathering. And then finally, I just love that we've given you this. We've given you butterflies. So we've got winged wonders. Aren't they just adorable? And again, different sizes, different butterflies, different shapes, which is just wonderful. You're getting all of that. So imagine now just a couple of these little butterflies, well, 3, it did have to be 3, and just on here, just finishing it off. Maybe one of them's landed on the foxgloves. Again, this particular collection, absolutely adore it. It's just beautiful. It's got everything that you could possibly need to create the 2 Red Robins format and style of cards that I know that you all love. So thank you for joining me for our lovely little new launch. Show us your makes. Of course, we need to see what you're all making with these collections. Remember that gate, use it with all the other ones that you've already got and the ones that are coming up. Give us a thumbs up, a like, and also on that bell, click the bell notification and the one that's coloured in solid, and then you'll get all the notifications of our upcoming launches and any other inspiration and education that Highlight Crafts bring to you on YouTube. Thank you very much for joining me, and you take care. See you soon. Bye.
If you want to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below, and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video, or click here to see more videos like this one.